We've had another incredible season here on Oklahoma Gardening, traveling the state, and it's always such a pleasure to visit with each of you. We also want to thank you for continuing to open your backyards for us to showcase, as well as inviting us into your living room each week. This season, we explored how gardening can create healthy lifestyles for people of all ages and backgrounds with Shape Your Future. We took our basil crop and turned it into a product with the help of OSU's Robert M. Kerr Food and Agriculture Product Center. We've sown numerous seeds, harvested various crops, and now with our winter cover crops and garlic planted, it's time to let the garden slow down a bit. For the remainder of the year, we'll be revisiting some of our favorite segments and re-airing those on our Best of Oklahoma Gardening episodes. While the garden may be slowing down a little bit, just know the OKG team is still continuously working. And in fact, for the past several months, we have been busy planning our 2025 season. And that's because next year, 2025, marks Oklahoma Gardening's 50th anniversary. Next year, we will not only be taking a look back at the last 50 years, but also be looking at the future. We've begun the process of interviewing many of the previous hosts, videographers, and garden managers about their experience and how the show, the Botanic Garden, and technology has changed since 1975. It's taken a lot of dedicated people and viewers to get us to this milestone, and we look forward to sharing it with you next season. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.